Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 25. Do you take an interest in life? Question mark. You might will answer that that it all depends upon what taking an interest means, and you would do well to answer in that way because much trouble is caused in life through people not expressing themselves in a clear enough way. Full stop. If by taking an interest in life is meant that we would rather be living than dying, it is probable that almost every living person is interested. Full stop. New para. If, however, we take it as given that everyone could rather live than die, we must find other meanings for the words. Full stop. We can indeed be interested in life from very many points of view. Full stop. Many well-to-do and highly successful businessmen have reached that happy state because they have found a great interest in living their own lives to the full and not paying too much attention to other people's actions. Full stop. They have got up each day ready to overcome any difficulties that may face them and willing to meet any demands that life may make upon them. Full stop. When times have been bad, they have not lost hope, when times have been good, they have not lost their heads, but have remembered that the years in front of them might not always be so good. Full stop. They have given up their best in their daily lives, and in return they have found success. Full stop. New para. It is not everyone, however, who can find working life so satisfactory in itself. Full stop. It is not everyone who can find work that meets all the needs of the mind. Full stop. Such people demand players beyond those of labor, and they try to find an interest in life in other directions. Full stop. But the directions are so many that it is not easy to know in which direction to work. Full stop. Happily, we do not, as a rule, have to look far, for we seem to have natural interests. Full stop. It seems to come quite naturally to us to sort out our feelings, and from the great number of possible fields of interests we find forces pulling us this way or that. Full stop. New para. The interests of some people change considerably with the passing of the years. Other people seem to hold an interest in the same kind of things throughout their whole lives. Full stop. Some people, for example, have a lifelong interest in getting together sets of books, particularly copies of the first publication of a book. Full stop. Others like to buy pictures, and they always hope that one day they will have the pleasure of buying an old picture very cheaply, only to be told afterwards by the experts that it is true old master and is worth many thousands of pounds. Full stop. Such finds were certainly possible in time past, but it is doubtful whether in these days there are many old masters which have been put away and which no one has afterwards remembered, so that they are now just waiting for the day when an expert will discover their true worth. Full stop. Too many people have for too long been finding an interest in the buying and selling of pictures to make it possible for such an event to happen often. Full stop. Still, people go on hoping, and quite rightly to so. Full stop. With the books, there may be the same hope one day a person may have the happiness of buying an old second-hand book for a few pennies only to discover afterwards that it is a very valuable book indeed, and would get a high price if offered for sale. Full stop. New para. There are people who have a deep interest in show business of all kinds, serious or otherwise. Full stop. Some people find their interest in open air and they are never so happy as when walking over the downs or through the fields, or perhaps their love for the open air leads them to take a very great interest in the large or small piece of land around their house. Full stop. It must be kept perfect, they feel, and very lovely. Such places generally look. Full stop. There are many persons, young ones particularly, who find much pleasure in playing records. Full stop. They will sit beside their record players for hours playing over the most recent records they have bought. Full stop. New para. For some people, taking an interest in life means keeping up to date in their knowledge of passing events. Full stop. They read books and newspaper which keep them informed about the most recent developments in science or in the political field, in industry or engineering. Full stop. At all costs, they wish to be well informed on daily events. Full stop. Whatever form our interest may take, it is important to have such an interest. Full stop. It is end of this exercise. Please do its practice again and again and be prepare yourself for examination. Your examination is at hand. Thank you very much.